So let us do this revision quickly. Now here you can see that the role of digestion, the role of enzymes in digestion. Now first we are starting from mouth. So what is the pH medium of the mouth? It is actually alkaline in nature. So it is slightly alkaline. And what is the digestive juice present there? It is saliva. So obviously we have studied, and those who have not studied, please go through the lessons where I have taught you all these enzymes and all this action. So here we are doing just in a chart form. If you want to memorize this chart, it is very easy to keep memorize this form of things in mind, that you just make a chart and keep in your textbook or in your notebook, where you can go through it every time whenever you are opening it, so that it will be always in your mind. So what is the enzyme? It is salivary amylase or ptyalin. So what does it do actually? It is converting any form of starch to maltose. Is it clear? So it is saliva which is containing salivary amylase ptyalin, which is converting starch to maltose. Now next, from the mouth we are coming to stomach. It is highly acidic, we all know, and the digestive juices are mainly HCl and gastric juice. And then we can say that the enzymes which are present here are pepsin and renin in infants. Now what is the action? It is actually converting the proteins to peptones or proteoses, and it is converting the casein to paracasein. So it is converting the proteins to peptones and casein to paracasein. Now next we are coming back to duodenum. So once we are coming back to duodenum, the nature or the pH of the medium is alkaline. The digestive juices are bile and pancreatic mainly. So no enzyme is present in bile juice. We have told that only bile salts are present, and no enzyme, though it is not present. Now other enzymes which are present in pancreatic juice are trypsin, chymotrypsin, amylotrypsin, and steapsin or lipase. So how these enzymes are working, we have told earlier. Just we will put a stress on the conversion or the action. So they are acting on the emulsification of fats, they are converting the proteins to polypeptides, they are converting the starch to maltose. So see, here also starch is converted to maltose, and whereas here also starch is converted to maltose. So same function is both acting here and here, because though they both are amylase enzymes. So make it clear that amylase enzymes convert starch to maltose, and fats are, by the action of this lipase, fats are converted to fatty acid and glycerol. So every enzyme is having a specific function on a specific substance. Whether it is protein, whether it is starch, whether it is fat, so it is acting specifically on one kind of substance only. So the enzyme which is acting on fat can't act or convert the starch to maltose, or can't act on proteins to convert it into polypeptides or proteoses. No, it's not possible. So they are having a specific function. Now next we are coming to ileum. So it is also alkaline pH, intestinal juice, and it is having enzymes erepsin, sucrase, maltase, lactase, and lipase. So what they are doing? They are converting peptones and peptides to amino acids, converting sucrose to glucose and fructose, and maltose to glucose. And at times this lipase is converting fats to fatty acids and glycerols. Okay, as fats to fatty acids and glycerols also this lipase enzyme is converting. So is it clear to everyone? So it was just a quick revision of what we have done in the previous episodes regarding enzymes. Because enzyme is a difficult part and you are studying it new in 9th standard, I think it is quite difficult for you all to understand this action of enzymes, in which kind of medium they are working and how they are acting on which kind of substances. So please do make it clear, learn it properly, and don't mix one enzyme with another, because each action is very much specific in whenever they are acting on several substances. So their action is very specific and they are converting specific substance to specific ones. So conversion also is also very specific. So please don't mix it up. Remember it properly and memorize these. At least this table you can memorize. For your benefit only, I have made this table, and make it clear, so that in the next episodes, what other things when you are studying, the previous videos or the previous lesson part should be clear. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel to learn each and every topic in a systematic and lucid manner. So as of now, this is the end of this episode. Now I'll be teaching the next part, that is absorption, assimilation and digestion, in the next video. Thank you.